Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add or get poster image for video in Slider Revolution in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Slider Revolution and we are using video. Now you see slide options. So click on it and then you see background. So already selected and then you see source. Scroll down, you see type HTML5 video and this is our video link we added. If you want you can add video from media library and then you see poster image. If you want you can select from media library, so it's up to you. Now close, and if you want you can get start frame from video. Now you see poster image, so click on it. Now you see please wait a moment. So in this way you can get poster image for video in Slider Revolution in WordPress, and then you see source type, so you can select image size according to your requirement. Now you see, and then click on save. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.